Hi kids, in this video today we will learn English alphabet. Oh, where my alphabet's gone? Let's find. This is A. A. Next one is B. This is B. Next one is C. This is C. Next one is D. This is D. Next one is E. This is E. Next one is F. This is F. Next one is G. This is G. Next one is H. This is H. Next one is I. This is I. Next one is J. This is J. Next one is K. This is K. Next one is L. This is L. L. Next one is M. This is M. M. Next one is N. This is N. N. Next one is O. This is O. O. Next one is P. This is P. P. Next one is Q. This is Q. Q. And next one is R. This is R. R. Next one is S. This is S. S. Next one is T. This is T. T. Next one is U. This is U. U. Next one is V. This is V. V. Next one is W. This is W. W. Next one is X. This is X. X. Next one is Y. This is Y. Y. The last alphabet is Z. This is Z. Z.